All right, we're here at the old farm near Cherokee, North Carolina. It's kind of boring today. Nothing much going on. Just random elk walking around. That's about it. Eating some flowers. No big deal here at the farm. What's up? How you doing, girl? How you doing? All right, just a random day here at the farm near Cherokee, North Carolina. No big deal. Just your pet elk walking around. The old farm. We got more elk action here in Cherokee, North Carolina. Come check it out. Get your elk on.
What's up, guys? Joe Byron here, the Outland photographer. We're doing some Outland photography today. We have got the neutral density filter on the front of my Nikon D500 filming a waterfall at 20 seconds. It's fixing to come up exposed. Let's see what we got at aperture 2.2. Still processing, and it looks good. Creamy, looks good exposed, a little bit of fever. But that's perfectly fine. I can filter that later. Look how creamy, smooth that waterfall is. Buttery, just good and buttery. That's what you want. Okay, I'm gonna do another one from another vantage point. We're gonna get out of this location and go back to camp, get ready to whitewater raft the Natahalia River tomorrow. On behalf of that, the beautiful Smoky Falls, S-O-C-O, near Cherokee, North Carolina. One of the most beautiful waterfalls in East United States. Check out that light on that stump. That's what I'm photographing next. Let's get out of here. What's up, gang? We just came from Soho Falls and Ingalls to get some beer and food, and we are chilling at the river here at the Natahalia in beautiful North Carolina. I'm doing a time lapse of us setting up the Jeep Gypsyana, so stay tuned for more vlogging soon. What's up, gang? We are here fixing to hit the tent for the first time. I just wanted to do a little quick scout out of the Jeep. I'm not gonna cook tonight. I'm too tired and we've got too much to do and I'm not that hungry. I'm just really not. My 240 volt battery is doing great. Still a 12 volt charge, so we're still doing great there. I want to do a quick vlog of the tent now that it's set up. Grab this light here, light it up here. And as you can see, it's a good tent. Crystal's going to turn on the tent lights, and I'll turn this one off to show you that the tent does come with lights. Let's see what we got here. And as you can see, the ambient light of the tent. King size bed on top of a Jeep. 4-wheel drive RV. That's what we're dealing with, folks. So get out, have an adventure, get a Jeep. Camper unit all squared away and get ready to go whitewater rafting. So no time like the present. Let's do it.
Literally walking in the clouds, top of the Smoky Mountains. I gotta get that little strange anomaly out there. Turn this off for now. Another super cinematic shot at the top of Clingman's Dome near Gatlingburg, Tennessee. We have one of the most epic views in the Smokies here at the Clingman's Dome parking lot. Look at that dynamic range, peeps. Here we are at Jimmy Mac's restaurant in downtown Bryson City, North Carolina. What is on the menu for Joe Byron today? It is the bigger buffalo hamburger. Yes. I'm gonna eat a buffalo. Good. Look at this. It's huge. Buffalo. That is a buffalo burger plate. 1 pound of buffalo. Let's eat it. Look at all that bacon on Crystal's sandwich. Oh yeah. Let's chow down. All right, here we are in downtown Gatlingburg in front of the Ripley's, believe it or not, museum. A great place to check out while you're here in the burg. Let's go do some moonshine tasting. All right, we are still here in downtown Gatlingburg, and it is my decision that The crowds are back. It is not dead like it was once before, 6-7 months ago. It is very crowded here in Gatlingburg tonight. Even though we're on the back side of town or the downside of town, you get up around the mid and the upper section, it is packed. We are here at Fanny Farkley's. I ate here over 40 years ago when I was a kid, getting the same thing we're gonna get tonight. Some smoked sausage. Yay! These crazy hot dogs are just like I remember them from years and decades ago. I ate at that restaurant in 1984 when I worked at that little t-shirt shop over there that says Hot Sauce Museum. That was a t-shirt shop back in 1984 and 85. I used to airbrush t-shirts in there. Fanny Farkley's is right down the street. So this is bringing back some memories. I'm not gonna be crying. Okay, as we leave the streets of Gatlingburg, we're going to call this vacation, this short 2-day vacation, to close. Did you have a good time, Crystal?
Yes.
She loves the river, she loves white water, and maybe we can do it again, especially down the Ocoee. But on behalf of that, we thank you for enjoying this video with us, and hope to see you out there later.